The market will test you. But the main thing that the market is going to test is your character, not just you. The person that is going to win in Forex is not going to be the smartest. Man, trust me, it is not going to be the fastest. No. It is not going to be the person with the best indicator, but it's going to be the person with the ability to control his heart. Yes, the person that have these 3C, the person that is able to trade with clarity, with calmness, a person that is able to trade with confidence. Clarity, calmness, and confidence. Now, this is going to be the person that is going to be able to become a profitable Forex trader, because the market will definitely test these things in you. And in order to develop these things, there are 7 things that you need to do every day to become a profitable Forex trader. If you want to know that thing, then follow me. Let's go together. My name is Eminent, officially known as the Eminent Mentor, the #1 mentor in Africa. I've actually dedicated this channel to teach you Forex trading back to back to back to back. So if you know you want to become that successful Forex trader, consider smashing the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time I come your way like this, you'll be the first to hear. I mean, anytime I upload my video like this, you'll be the first to hear. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 things you need to do daily in order to build a winning strategy. All those gurus, Jeffrey Benson, these people you know that they are doing very well, I mean, they're super successful. There are things they are doing, there are habits they are building every day. So what you need to do daily in order to develop a winning attitude. Number 1 is trade with clarity. Have a clear written plan that you're trading every day. See, have your plan. Have things that you want to watch out. This is, I cannot overemphasize the importance of trading plan. It can never be overemphasized. There is no way. Without a trading plan, like I mentioned in the other video, you're like a person who is going to war, but you don't even know your enemy target. You don't know, you don't have plan where you're going to strike. So, in order for you to become a profitable Forex trader, once you wake up, have a plan. Check your trading plan. That is number 1. Trade with a clear plan. Trade with a clear plan. Do not be hurried to enter the trade. Do not rush to enter the trade. Trade with a clear plan. Now, part of the plan is how much are you risking? I like to mention this part. You see, I feel pains when I run losses. So because of that, I try to be a little bit careful with how much am I losing. How much are you willing to lose? This is the question I'm asking you. Let's assume that you have a $100 account. How much will you be willing to lose? Drop it in the comment section. Assume you have a $100 account. How much can you risk in a day? Me, what I recommend is 10% of that account in a day. Yes. So if you have a $100 account, that means the highest you can risk for that day, for me, could be like $10. That's me. No matter how it is. Now, inside that $10 is where you're now going to have consider your risk to reward ratio. Yes. And that takes us to the second thing that you need to do daily. Risk only, listen to this part, risk only 1 to 2% of your entire account per trade. On your entire account, never you risk, let me remove this for you to see my face. Don't risk more than 2% on a singular order, because there's 90% reason that the trade might go opposite. You see, the moment you click that buy or that sell button, whatever happens in the market is out of your control. So why take what you cannot control? Now, this 1 to 2% will now be under that 10% of your account you are accepted to risk in a day. So 10% is in all the trade you're going to take today. It shouldn't be higher than 10% of your account. But in a singular order you're taking, make sure that you're risking between 1 to 2% of your account. If you're actually trading a prop firm, I'll advise you, reduce from 1% to 0.5% of your account. This is what is going to help you. This is actually going to help you to become a profitable Forex trader. Now, whenever you trade, you start becoming emotional. This takes us to number 3. Stop the trade. Your mind starts jumping. Maybe because of the losses you encounter, or maybe because of happiness, or maybe someone make you angry. This one's happen most time. Someone make you angry, you get into the market, you might blow your account. Yes. Maybe you're angry with your wife, your girlfriend, someone around you, someone got you upset. Or you're too happy. We make silly mistakes when we are too happy or when we are too angry. Avoid trading. Just avoid trading. Allow it to rest. Let it rest. Now, once your mind is calm, you can come back to the market, you can trade again, so they can make profit, so you can see what you are actually doing. Because if you're trading without seeing what you're doing, you might commit blunders. So why would you go committing blunders? Rather, wait and see what you're doing. Let trade with a clean eye. When the water is clear, you can see. You can decide whether you're going to trade or you're not going to trade. That takes us to number 4. The 4th thing that profitable traders are doing, and you must do every day, is reviewing your trade. Review your trade daily. This trade that you took, you win. Most time people don't check the trade that they win, especially at the amateur. Go back and check. What did you do well in this trade? Where did you enter this trade? This trade that you make serious money like this, where did you enter the trade? Where did you put your take profits? How was the market? What strategy did you use? Did you use smart money concept, or did you use support and resistance? What strategy did you use? Was it because of liquidity, or did it happen by chance? Review your trade. The part you do well, take it out and keep. The part you see you did not do well, take it out and keep. The reason for doing this is to avoid you repeating the wrong thing. You avoiding the wrong thing. From there, you are now going to gather a strategy that is going to work for you effectively. Number 5, always respect your stop loss. No matter what, come what may. This one, it should become a daily habit. Always respect your stop loss. No matter what, respect your stop loss every day. Anytime you enter the trade, make sure that you are always respecting your stop loss. Now, when I say respect your stop loss, I mean 2 things. Always make sure you put it. That's the first thing. You see, the market will always ask you, how much are you willing to risk? I used to tell you guys this. In this industry, the market will never take your money without a consent. You will never lose money without giving permission to the market. It is what you tell the market to take that the market will take. So for that reason, the market will always ask you, how much are you willing to risk? Make sure you tell the market how much you're willing to risk. So when you tell the market how much you're going to risk, stand to your word. Do not be a person that says yes and later you say no. That will be humiliating, right? So since you don't want it to be humiliating, when you say you're losing $2 on this trade, $10 on this trade, $100 on this trade, stick to that. If you hit it, you hit it. Feel the pain, let it happen. Will it hurt? Yes, it hurts. Rather than you adjusting your stop loss, you keep adjusting your stop loss, you keep adjusting your stop loss, keep going down, and you keep running losses. Maybe this is something you would have just lost $10. You ended up losing $50. This is something you would have lost only $100. You ended up losing $3,000. Can you see how humiliating that could be? So you have to become a person of standing on your word. Now this takes us back to strategy. Number 6. Now, by the time you have review your entry, review your trade, and you see the strategies that work, you see your confirmation strategy, make sure that you do not enter any trade without getting your confirmation strategies. Without getting that confirmation strategies, could it be a hammerhead, could it be bullish engulfing? That confirmation strategy, if you don't have your confirmation strategy being thick, don't enter the market. If you want to be a professional forex trader. The reason I'm teaching you this is because I want you to be independent of me. I want you to be, I'm a very busy person, a very, very busy person. Forex is not the only thing I'm doing. I have to be very honest to you. It's not only forex that I'm doing. So as a result of that, for my students, I won't always be able to all the time to be holding you by the hand. And if I don't give you signals, you cannot trade. I want you to be able to. In this channel, I'll teach you how to create signals on your own. So if you want to learn that, yes, kindly subscribe. If you want me to make fast video on how to create signal, tell us in the comment section. Yes. So I want you to become independent of me as soon as possible. So as a result of that, I want you to know how to do these things on your own. So if you do not see that setup, thinking well, don't enter the market. Leave the market alone. Stay on your own. Very, very important. Very important. Number 7, as the last and most important, never you trade when you're bored. When you're bored, don't trade. Don't trade because you're bored. People do this a lot. No, we are just bored, so they now carry their phone and start scrolling their phone, and the market is clicking buy and clicking sell that doing this. No, you don't do that. Don't do that. Trade when your mind is ready. You see, before you even trade, wake up in the morning, pray to your God. When you pray to God and finish, go and do your warm-up. Yes, do your push-up. Do your exercise very well. If you have swimming pool, you have to go and swim. Get your body, get yourself energetic. Eat food if you're going to eat food. Anything that makes you happy. Get yourself excited. Get the energy into yourself before you go to your seat. Be happy about it. Resume trading as if you're resuming work. Do not trade as if you're working for yourself. Trade as if you're working for someone. As if the person is watching you, because for sure, someone is watching you, whether you see the person or not. And once you do this 7 things I've laid out for you, you do it consistently. Every day, over time, it's going to become an habit. It's going to become part of you. It's going to come out naturally. So what you need to do is write down these 7 things I'm giving to you. Write them down and follow them carefully, one by one. The first one is always trade with a written out plan. Get your plan out on a day. Always don't risk more than 2% of your entire account. And always make sure that you're stopping your trade when you feel emotional, when your mind is doing jiggy. You stop. Just stop your trade like that. Once you close the trade, at the end of the day, review the trade. What happened? Respect your stop loss and your take profit. Now, only enter a trade when your strategies have been confirmed. And lastly, never you trade because you're bored. I hope you like this video. Please, if you did not like, why not smash the like button? Smash it right now. Smash it right now. And trust me, I have dedicated this channel to see that I teach you Forex for you to understand everything about Forex for free. So if you know you want to learn Forex trading, want to become a profitable Forex trader, why not subscribe? If you want to use the broker I use, check the description. You're going to see the broker. Use it there. Use the broker I use and also make profit. If you use the broker I use, you're going to make 50% on your first deposit. On your first deposit, you're going to have additional 50% on your first deposit. Yes, the link is in the description. So if you use it, that's what you're going to benefit. That's just it. So there are many things you're going to benefit. If you know you really want to follow me, then subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that the next time I come, you'll be the first person to receive my notification. Do that right away. And remember to watch this video that YouTube recommend for you, because by watching this video, you are moving one step closer to becoming a profitable Forex trader. Peace. This is the voice of the Eminent mentor. Bye. See you next time.